Now we'll be making the beak. So using the yellow yarn, we are going to make a slip knot here. And then chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then chain 1 to raise, and now we are going to make single crochet all around it. So we'll be crocheting instead of the front here, we'll be crocheting at the back bum here. So not here, but we'll be crocheting in the back bum here. So in the back bum, we'll be making 1 single crochet in each stitches. And the back bum, okay, so 1 stitches in each of the chain here. After that, we'll be making another stitch in the same stitch as the last stitch here. So this is the second increase, and then now we are rotating it, and we'll be crocheting in this line here. So another 1 single crochet in each stitches. So starting from the first one, which is the one that we use for the last stitch in the last stitch here. So which means that the last stitch has 3 single crochet in it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th one, and then we'll be making another single crochet in the last stitch here. Okay, and then slip stitch to the first stitch to join round. For round 2 of the beak, we'll be making chain 1 and then single crochet in back loop only for the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then we'll be making single crochet 3 stitches together. 1, there's the second one, and this is the third one, and yarn over and pull out all loops. So this is single crochet 3 stitches together, and then we'll be making single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3. We'll repeat the single crochet 3 stitches together again here. So picking up the first, picking up the second, and picking up the third one. Yarn over and pull out all loops, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'll slip stitch to the first stitch and leave a long yarn tail here because we need it to sew the beak to the body. I'll leave around 20 to 25 centimeters. Now we move on to the head. The head is using blue yarn. Rub the magic ring and then make 8 single crochet in the magic ring. First will be making chain 1 and then single crochet 8 times in the magic ring here. 1, 2, and pull yarn tail tight. Now we'll be continuing to the second round, so I'm making increases in each stitches for second round. So 8 times 2, there will be 16 stitches. Continue to round 3. I'll be making another increase round here. So we'll be doing 1 single crochet in the first one and then increase. 1 single crochet, increase for 8 times. So total there will be 24 stitches for round 3. For round 4, we'll be doing decrease rounds. So I'll be making decreases in each stitches here. So from 24, it will be shrink down to 12 stitches. Decrease for the first one and shift the marker. And then decrease again. And decrease again. Until the end of the round. This is the last decrease stitch. I'll be changing it to black yarn. And then for the next round, in black yarn, I'll be making 1 single crochet in each stitches. I have finished the 12 stitches for round 5. So now I'll be making slip stitches but using back post single crochet position. So insert into the first one and then pass through to the second one here and make a slip stitch. And then chain 3 and one more chain and then slip stitch starting from the second chain from hook. 1, slip stitch second, and then slip stitch the third one, and then slip stitch to the back post again from the second one to the third one. And cut long yarn for the black color because you'll be using it to stitch to the body. And then the yarn tail from the beginning and the blue yarn tail at the end will tie a knot here to secure it. Then cut the yarn. To make the bow tie, I'll be using red color yarn. Make a magic ring here. And make chain 2. And then 3 treble crochet in the magic ring. Yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops second times, and then yarn over and pull out 2 loops for the third time. Repeat again, yarn over twice, insert hook, then yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops third time. Okay, so 3 treble crochet, then chain 2 and slip stitch, chain 2 again, and then 3 treble crochet again, chain 2, and then slip stitch in the magic ring and pull out the yarn tail tight. Okay, so for this one, we'll cut the yarn tail slightly longer at around 15 to 20 centimeters. And we'll use the yarn tail to wrap around the center about 4 to 5 times.